G'day, and welcome once again to the Galactic Racing Championships. This is Lewa versus Mike the Postman. Yes. Can we go to the race, please? Here we are. And they're off. That's an early lead from Mike the Postman. And he's turned invisible. So currently I don't know what's going on. Seems that Lewa has pulled ahead here. Yeah, he has. Oh, that's good coffee. Yeah, that's up the hill, going into the repairing place, which is also across the line for the lap 2 now. Ooh, what's that? Ha, electric bomb. But I don't think it got Lewa, the new crowd favourite. Oh yeah, he's a good distance ahead now. Yeah, that's speed going down that hill now. Across the beach again, up the hill again. It's hard to narrate when you've got more than one lap. What was that? Who parked that car on the track? He's doing a very good job of avoiding it. So down the hill now onto the beach. Whoa, he goes wide. That's gonna cost him. That's gonna cost him dearly. Because here comes Mike the Postman now. Oh, yeah, and across the line. Yes. Lewa actually won that. Yes, I hope to see you all again next week. See you then.